What's up YouTube, welcome to another video, and today's video will be regarding the Nokia 8.3 5G, which has been announced with a Snapdragon 765G, a future-proof 5G and a ZEISS quad camera setup. So this year cancellation of MWC 2020 due to coronavirus pandemic, many companies has to adopt the other strategy to announce their new smartphone. HMD Global was one of those companies that were planning the new smartphone launch for the February event. Today the Finnish company finally took wraps of multiple smartphones that were originally planned for the last month. Along with the feature phones on low and a mid-range devices, the company unveiled a Nokia 8.3 5G. It is almost ambitious device released today. We can say that it is a premium mid-range smartphone with solid specification inside, and the smartphone can be positioned as the flagship killer with this big display and a quad camera with a ZEISS certification and unrevealed 5G connectivity. According to HMD, the Nokia 8 5G connectivity is all about future-proofing. The device supports more 5G brands than even priced flagship out there. This way, the handset is compatible with all those existing upcoming 5G networks around the globe. The handset is built around a 6.81 inch of pure display screen with Full HD Plus resolution. It has an HDR panel with an adaptive display support that adjusts contrast depending upon how much light is around you. The device comes with a punch hole which serves as a house for the 24 megapixel front-facing camera sensor that also carries a ZEISS Optics. Moving around the back side, well, there is a ZEISS quad camera setup in which the main camera is of 64 megapixel sensor, a 12 megapixel of an ultra-wide module. The focus area on the video recording and the low light performance, and in bind mode, its pixel reach 2.8 mm in size. The device also gets a ZEISS cinematic effect that gives you more control over the video capture as well. Although audio and action cam mode complete the camcorder arsenal. Under the hood, we understood why this is an upper mid-range phone because the device carries a Snapdragon 765G processor and integrated 5G modem. Moreover, it runs Android 10 straight out of the box. It's clean Android since all Nokia devices are part of the Android One program, and this one ensures that a 2-year of Android update and 3 years of monthly security updates will be received by using the Android One program. Storage wise, it is either coming with a 64GB or 128GB, and either way you can get a micro SD card slot for further expansion. The handset draws power from the 4500 mAh of a battery that charges via 18 watt of fast charging support, which is coming inside the box. The Nokia 8.3 5G is available in a single polar night color option with an inspiration in the northern lights. The handset set to be available in summer at a starting price of 599 euros. That is it in this particular video. Let me know your thought in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.